Hi YouTube, this is MW2K503 here again with another Zippo review. This Zippo is the New York Luck of the Irish. This is probably my favorite Zippo I've ever seen, and my favorite Zippo I have. Let's get started. First open the box is just a standard case, standard made in USA, like a normal one would. Put that over. And then this is really cool. Look at this. New York Luck of the Irish with a 4-leaf clover on it. In the background, it's green. It's all 4-leaf clovers. It's cool. It has a cool texture to it also. This is about the third time I filmed this because the computer keeps on shutting off randomly in the middle of it. Let's pray it doesn't do it this time. If it doesn't, then hooray. And let's get started to the actual details itself. Well, I haven't opened it yet. And it was, I keep all my stickers out of the box. You can see the Zippo sticker. It was $30.95. Pretty good one. Pretty expensive though. It's on the downside. Some Zippos are really expensive, but this one's definitely worth it. I'll pay $40 for this thing. And that's pretty much all I have to say about it. Leave in the comments. I'm getting a new Zippo soon. Well, let me show the bottom stamp. It says C11. That's March 2011, and it's a pretty decent new one. So yeah, I just wanted to show you that it's a real Zippo. So yeah, leave in the comments of what Zippo I should get next, because I'm getting one soon. And thanks, subscribe, bye.